Hey, what's up guys? It's your boy Jay back again with another video. And didn't say the Marauder. We finally put the Marauder in storage for the first time ever since we've owned it. I removed the plate. We're gonna go to the insurance agency and cancel the insurance, put it in storage for about a month or two so we can do some repairs to it. And at the same time, start working on the E46 as well. That's gonna be back on the channel now. And we already have stuff for it. And we already have parts for it, and I'm going to be doing stuff to it over the next couple of months as I use it to go to work, because I'm going to be returning back to the office. Marauder is going to go in storage for the first time while we do work to it. As you guys know, it needs a new fork seals, maybe new forks. I think it's just seals, but it might need new forks. It needs work on the brakes and new tires, because these tires have begun to leak air. So that's a thing too. So while we have the E46 insured, we're going to be doing all of this to the Marauder as well, and hopefully also pick up another bike by the end of the year. It is winter time, and that's like the best time to purchase another bike, because they're usually cheaper than when they are in the spring when the riding season is back on. I have the paperwork, have the plates. I'm just waiting for my brother, and we're gonna go to the auto plan office and cut the insurance on this and insure the E46. Alright guys, so we've been back from the insurance agency a couple hours ago, and I was gonna do more of a video on the E46 right now, but for the past couple of hours we've been doing work on the A4. We installed a new diverter valve and a diverter valve spacer. Now we're gonna cut to tomorrow, because I had ordered one part that would make the car so much better on the road right now. From how it is right now, if you guys can't tell, it is missing a grill. So I'm gonna cut to tomorrow when we install the grill and install the new part, and I'll catch you guys in tomorrow morning. Okay, be right back. As you can see, there's no coolant in there. So it was all water and it burnt off, it evaporated. So I'm gonna take our mix and pour some in there. See what this has come up now? We have enough coolant. Alright, so that should be enough coolant for now. Now I'm going to move the E46 up front, and we'll get on to the main part of today's video, this of getting the car prepped to be on the road. For the most part, it is ready. My main concern are the tires and the coolant. If the coolant does not leak or does not leak too much and the tires still survive another week, then I can get new tires by the end of next week, and we should be good, and the car's back on the road. So I'm going to move the car out to the front now, because I have a part for you guys to see. For the front of the car, you guys might notice it's been missing there for a while because the old ones were mangled. So I'll show you guys in a few seconds. As you guys can see, we are missing the two front grills on the E46. Alright, so I deliberately left the car on right now. So we'll let the car warm up, make sure there's no coolant leaks, make sure it doesn't overheat. And if you can hear me, that's awesome. If you can't, my apologies. Yeah, so we're missing the two front grills. Me being cheap, buy all my parts from off of Amazon. Can't see me anymore. For me being cheap and buying all my parts off of Amazon again, I found some stuff for sale and ended up buying this grill. Two of them. Not just one. So we're gonna put these on, and the car should be good, decent enough to be on the road again. Paint wise, yeah, it still sucks. We're gonna deal with that when we deal with that, maybe in a couple of months. Not right now because it's winter. If the body of the car survives that long, sweet. If not, we'll purchase another E46 and swap over all these parts onto there and continue on the build on a new shell. So we'll put these on right now. Okay, so when you purchase these, you have to be careful which ones you get, because depending on your car's year, we have facelift or a pre-facelift, we have coupe, a sedan. They all have different designs, different shapes of these. These ones said they're for a facelift sedan, which is what my E46 is. It's from 2002 and up, so these will most likely fit. The issue with the old ones were these clips on here broke off, so they would not stay on, so I had to use zip ties to hold them in place. These now, brand new ones with clips, I'm pretty sure they just pop in and they should stay in. So we'll put these on and see how it goes. Alright, so here's how they look. I do a bit of finagling. They aren't a perfect fit. They aren't a perfect fit, but they get the job done. Makes the car look a heap ton better than before without the grills. So that's that. The front of the car is basically done for now. So what do you guys think? We put in the new grill inserts into the car. They look amazing. And I'm gonna end the video here. Wasn't really much of a video, but the car's back on the road. It's insured, and I just make sure the coolant doesn't overheat. Make sure the car doesn't overheat with the coolant, and it should be good to go. With that being said, I'm gonna end the video here, guys. Hopefully you guys enjoyed. If you guys did, please do consider hitting the subscribe button down below. In next week's upload, I'm going to be doing a live where we replace the mirrors on the doors on the E46. I'm going to do the live because I have new mirror caps and new mirrors because the motors on these mirrors don't work, and I got some from a junkyard, which hopefully they work. So I'm gonna put those on and we'll see if they work. Alright, and I'm planning on doing that live, so hopefully you guys come and join me in that. I don't know how to do that because it's my first time doing a live stream on YouTube, so bear with me next week and I'll catch you all in the next video. Alright, see ya.